All right, Sierra, I need to see your social studies grade. Then Kyle, then Grace. So have y'all's ready? Okay, Kyle, go ahead and show me yours. Okay, thank you. I'll help y'all with that in a minute. I'll help you turn in your fun brain in just a moment. Right now, I'm only collecting social studies. So, Sierra, are you finished with yours?
Yeah.
Have a seat, please. Unless it's an emergency. James, and then Julia, and then Latoria. I didn't assign it, so I can't reassign it. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna put missing on yours until you turn it in, until you get it to me. Aurelio, then Sarah, then John. I am gonna send out stuff on Twitter next week. Okay, but hang tight. I'm in social studies right now. So I need Aurelio's social studies, and Sarah's social studies, and John's social studies. Hey, Aurelio. Sarah? Yours? John, and then Adam, then Gavin, then Caitlin. Adam, Gavin, Kaylin. You couldn't do yours. Oh, Adam, I almost gave you Gavin's grade. And you can go to Mount. Kaylin. You go to Mount. Yeah, that one. Kaylin.
Area 480.
Haley, I need yours. Okay. Cooper, then Michael, then Abigail. Oh, you're, never mind. And you, Michael, I got yours. It's going to count as a 0 for now until you turn it in. Until you show it to me. Michael, your social studies, quiz, grade. Then Lane.
Miss Hernandez, mine is
Yes.
Charge it.
I don't.
Daniel.
Can I use anybody's charger?
I need yours. And Michael. Okay, thank you. Daniel, do you have yours? Okay, stop talking. You will all have 0 lunch on Monday. Stop talking. Let me get through this, and then I will show you how to turn in your Fun Brain results. I'll show you on the overhead. You can do it with me. But be quiet right now. I've asked you nicely. I should never have